Lunchtime at the Highfield in Edgbaston. But Tier 3 restrictions in Birmingham mean it's takeaway only and the restaurant remains closed. Now a pilot project has been proposed that would allow indoor dining within hours of a negative COVID test.
We think it's brilliant. Our main focus since we've reached the pandemic has been keeping people safe, and that's will always be our core value. And if this can help us get our guests back safely, then we're 100% behind it.
The Test and Dine pilot has been put forward by Birmingham City Council. It would initially involve a small number of restaurants. People would book a table, get tested, and if the result was negative, head out to eat, as long as the booking had been made within 6 hours of that test. The plan would then be to expand the idea to other areas.
We desperately need to be doing more to help all of these sectors, hospitality, arts and events, all three of which have really struggled over the last 9 months. They need more support from the government, and this is an innovative way in which we could help these sectors. It wouldn't cost the government any more than they're already spending, and it may open up a solution not only here in Birmingham but across the rest of the country.
At Craft in the city, the doors remain closed. But the owners concerned the proposed route to reopening would be too big a risk.
If a business was expecting 100 guests to arrive and then subsequently, as a result of testing, only had half of those guests arrive, the cost around the wastage of stock and additional manpower would be significant. And I'm also concerned that our staff would start to sway into some sort of enforcement capacity.
There have also been questions about the accuracy of rapid testing.
If the science works and the tests work, I think it's a really important thing to try to get hospitality moving again. But first and foremost, it needs to be proven that it's safe to do so, because we don't want another wave of infections.
I think it's worth investigating. I think that if we could do anything to support the local businesses which have been really hit, we've been in Tier 3 lockdown for months and months and months.
No decision's been made by the government about whether to proceed with the pilot, but it's providing a glimmer of hope for restaurants like this, so desperate to get back in business. Emma Birchley, Sky News, Birmingham.